So I got everything back in. So I found out through the service manual that you can disconnect the AC valve and then adjust the knob, and you should be able to run it down to 900 RPM. Well, the lowest I got, it's about the idle where it needs to be, about 950. That's good, which is great. Car runs quieter overall. My question is, when I adjusted everything back down, the engine was obviously quieter, but now I hear some kind of, something close to a knock. I don't know. It doesn't sound like a knock. It's not a knock, but I don't know if it's supposed to be the stock sound, but I'm looking with it. If I'm standing here, I can hear it now. But when I'm standing towards the other side of the engine, it sounds like a K24 truck engine to me. Right, that's the way it gets supposed to. But brought up new gasket one. Very responsive, very good from auto. So now I know the back end is taken care of. Because when we use the gas, it will always be like a little dip in idle and then accelerate. But not anymore. So good job on me. Putting over another 4 gaskets together. And everything running. Please don't mind, it's pretty cold. My problem is here. It's at 950. That's fine. Well, when I go to the boost gauge, the boost used to be between the first and second pointer tab, is right in between the middle. But since I lowered the pressure or lowered the engine speed, it went down. Now let me. It goes up to 5,000 to go up to 0. Is that okay? I don't know when the full boost is supposed to kick in. I don't normally do it up to 5. Normally when I go to 4, it goes all the way up. So I'm going to push it to 4. It doesn't go all the way up to 0. So my question is, will this boost gauge or this boost indicator affect my turbo or my overall horsepower? Because if lowering the idle RPM affects my overall horsepower, I would gladly just put it back to the 1000 or 1050 idle RPM. Because right now the engine's quiet and I just accelerated and the thing's back down to 950. I mean, it's good. But that's one thing I've noticed. The only thing I've noticed is a change in the turbo gauge itself. So just hit me up, let me know what you think. Overall, engines are, everything's nominal. This is my reverse camera setup. It's condensation coming from the back, there's nothing wrong. So I need to also take this to service and make sure I test it for any kind of head gasket leak or anything like that. I'm just making sure it's a pretty old car. So that's where I'm at right now. There's no hesitation. I think I need to change the engine mounts because it vibrates a little bit. You can feel the chassis vibrates below 1500 RPM when I go around. Around there I get a vibration, but then above that, everything's fine. So, just let me know.